The Yamaha MT-15 is a bike that has redefined the way we look at entry-level performance motorcycles. Compact, aggressive, and packed with features, it embodies the true spirit of Yamaha's Master of Torque series. Designed for riders who crave a dynamic experience, the MT-15 offers a perfect blend of style, power, and technology. Whether you're a beginner stepping into the motorcycling world or an experienced rider seeking a nimble machine, the MT-15 promises to be a thrilling companion. At the heart of the MT-15 is its 155cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine with Yamaha's revolutionary variable valve actuation (VVA) technology. This system ensures optimal power delivery at all RPM ranges, giving you both excellent low-end torque and high-speed performance. Producing 18.4 PS of power and 14.1 Nm of torque, the MT-15 is responsive and lively, making it a joy to ride in city traffic or on open roads. The engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox that features an assist and slipper clutch, allowing for smoother gear shifts and reducing wheel hop during aggressive downshifts. The design of the Yamaha MT-15 is inspired by its larger siblings in the MT series, particularly the MT-09. The bike's signature, hyper-naked, look is highlighted by its aggressive front fascia, featuring a bifunctional LED projector headlight and LED position lights that give it a sharp, predator-like appearance. The muscular tank design, sharp tank shrouds, and sculpted body panels contribute to the MT-15's dynamic stance. It's a bike that looks fast even when it's standing still. When it comes to handling, the MT-15 excels thanks to its lightweight deltabox frame. This frame provides excellent rigidity and balance, ensuring precise cornering and stable high-speed performance. The bike's curb weight of just 139 kilograms makes it highly maneuverable, especially in tight urban environments. The suspension setup, with telescopic forks at the front and a mono shock at the rear, is tuned to offer a perfect balance between comfort and sportiness, absorbing bumps with ease while providing excellent feedback during spirited rides. The MT-15 rides on 17-inch alloy wheels shod with wide tubeless tires that provide excellent grip in various conditions. The braking system, featuring a 282mm front disc and a 220mm rear disc with single-channel ABS, ensures confident and reliable stopping power. Yamaha has designed the MT-15 to be not just a performer but also a safe and dependable companion for everyday rides. One of the standout features of the Yamaha MT-15 is its ergonomics. The upright riding position, wide handlebars, and slightly rear-set footpegs offer a perfect balance of comfort and sportiness. This setup allows riders to maintain control and confidence in various riding conditions, whether commuting through city traffic or enjoying a weekend ride on winding roads. The seat height of 810mm is accessible for most riders, while the compact dimensions make the MT-15 easy to handle even for beginners. The MT-15 is equipped with a fully digital LCD instrument cluster that provides all the essential information at a glance. The display includes speed, RPM, fuel level, trip meters, and a gear position indicator. It's also equipped with a VVA indicator, which lights up when the variable valve actuation system kicks in, adding a touch of excitement to your ride. Yamaha has also prioritized fuel efficiency in the MT-15's design. The bike delivers an impressive mileage of approximately 45 to 50 km/h, depending on riding conditions. With a fuel tank capacity of 10 liters, the MT-15 offers a good balance between performance and practicality, ensuring fewer fuel stops during your rides. Customization is another aspect where the Yamaha MT-15 shines. Yamaha offers a range of accessories and color options to help riders make their MT-15 truly their own. From sporty graphics and crash guards to performance-oriented upgrades like aftermarket exhausts, the possibilities are endless. Yamaha's attention to detail ensures that every accessory seamlessly integrates with the bike's design, enhancing both its aesthetics and functionality. Despite its premium features, the Yamaha MT-15 is priced competitively, making it an excellent value for money proposition. It's a bike that delivers high-quality performance and advanced technology at a price point that's accessible to a wide range of riders. Yamaha's legendary reliability and durability further enhance the MT-15's appeal, ensuring that it's a machine you can depend on for years to come. Riding the Yamaha MT-15 is an experience that's hard to put into words. The moment you start the engine and hear its throaty exhaust note, you know you're in for something special. The bike's responsive throttle, nimble handling, and engaging performance make every ride memorable. Whether you're zipping through city traffic, tackling twisty mountain roads, or cruising down the highway, the MT-15 delivers a riding experience that's as exciting as it is enjoyable. The Yamaha MT-15 is more than just a motorcycle, it's an invitation to explore, to push boundaries, and to embrace the thrill of the ride. It's a machine that inspires confidence, fuels your passion for motorcycling, and opens the door to a world of adventure. With its perfect combination of performance, style, and technology, the MT-15 is a bike that truly stands out in its class. If you're looking for a motorcycle that offers thrilling performance, head-turning looks, and cutting-edge technology in a compact and affordable package, the Yamaha MT-15 is the perfect choice. It's a bike that embodies the spirit of Yamaha's master of torque philosophy, delivering an unforgettable riding experience every time you get on the saddle. So, what are you waiting for? The Yamaha MT-15 is ready to take you on an unforgettable journey. It's time to experience the thrill of the open road, the joy of riding, and the unmatched performance of Yamaha's Hyper-Naked series. The MT-15 isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement of who you are and where you're headed. With the Yamaha MT-15, every ride becomes an adventure, and every moment on the road is a memory in the making. Are you ready to unleash your inner rider? The Yamaha MT-15 awaits. Please like and subscribe to my channel so you never miss any updates.